Good morning, children. Our explanation of Neha's alarm clock is over now. Now we will switch to our textbook exercise. So, dear children, please open your textbook, page number 10. We are going to do the exercise. Now, first we will read the question, what it is. Tick the correct answer. What it says, tick the correct answer. Now, what time over here you can see 1, 2, and 3 questions are given. In that, 3 options are also given. So what you have to do, you have to select from 3 only one option which is correct. That is why it is said tick the correct answer. What time did Neha's clock ring every morning? 4 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock. So what is the correct answer? 6 o'clock. What did the birds say? Second question. What were the birds saying? Sleep on, wake up, or go and play? So it was wake up. What is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? Here what is the question? What is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? Our body clock, our eyes, our feet. So what is the correct answer? Our body clock. So all these 3 tick the correct answers are over. Now we will switch to the 4th question. Put the letters in the right order. One has been done for you. Now over here jumbled letters are there, words are there. You have to make this jumbled word in correct word and we have to write in the blanks. Okay children, so now first one is what? ILESM. So it becomes to smile. SMILE, smile. What is the first one? Smile. Means a great smile on your face, it should be there. MRALA, the second one. So what is the correct word of this? It is alarm. ALARM, alarm. Now the third one, OCKLC. So what is the correct one? Clock. CLOCK, clock. Now we'll go to the next part. NORMING. So what it will become? Morning. What it will become? Morning. EDORNS. So what is the correct one? SNORED, snored. And the last one is what? WODWIN. So it is window. What it is? Window. We'll read all the words together. Okay children. First one is smile, alarm, clock, morning, snored, window. Now we'll go to another page. Page number 10. Everybody turn page number 10. Yes. Now here what it says, listen to the sounds around you when you are on your way to school. Discuss with your friend the sounds that you heard. List them here. Now one column is what sounds you heard and the second column is what sounds your friend heard. Now here you have to write your sound, what you have heard about the car, about the tree, birds, in the mic, or what the girl is thinking, and the sounds your friend has heard. What did your friend heard? That sound she'll write in this column. So this exercise is by yourself. You have to do it. Now the next question. If there is no clock, what is the question? If there is no clock in the house to wake you in the morning, how will you wake up? Now over here what it says, if there is no clock in the house to wake you in the morning, how will you wake up? So what is the answer? Will you continue to sleep? What it says, will you continue to sleep, or I will wake up on my own? The answer of yours will be I will wake up on your own. What is the answer? I will wake up on your own. On your own. What is the correct answer? I will wake up on my own. What is the correct answer? I will wake up on my own. Now third question. What are the different ways of knowing the time during the day? Now over here what it says, how will you think or how will you know what is the time going on during the day? So first point is what? Wristwatch, wall clock. What is the first point? Wristwatch, wall clock. Then the second is what? Mobile phone, you can see the time. Then the sunlight and television, entertain program on television, and certain program on television. What is the last one? Certain program on television. What are the different ways of knowing the time during the day? Here you have to tell how will you tell that there are different times during the day. The first, what did you note? Set, wristwatch or wall clock, we can come to know. Then mobile phones, nowadays mobile phone also there is a timing, so we can come to know. Then sunlight, certain program on television, all these things shows us the time during the day. Okay, now we'll go to another page. Page number 12. Wow, what is there on the page? Crossword puzzle. Everybody likes it. What is the question over here? Word building. What it says? Word building. Find the hidden words. What you have to do in this? We have to find the hidden words. In the bracket it is given. Mother, birds, clock, alarm, happy. All these words are given. The next line is what? Morning, holiday, hungry, Sunday. So we have to find all these words in this crossword word building puzzle. So first one is what? Mother. It is already done. Okay. So now we will see another one is what? Birds. See, BIRDS, birds. Then hungry, HUNGR, HUNGRY, hungry. Over here it is what? Hungry. Again we will do birds. Where are the birds? The birds are here. Then mother is already done, so mother you do circle. Then hungry. What will you do? Hungry, HUNGRY, hungry. Then what is it? Alarm, ALARM, alarm. Then what is it? Happy, HAPPY, happy. Then morning, MORNING, morning. Then clock, CLOCK, clock. So everything is over. Holiday is remaining. Where is holiday? Over here only somewhere it is holiday. Here it is HOLIDAY, holiday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all 8 we got the puzzles. Now we will read the words that is down aloud. OUGHT, out. BOUGHT, bought. CAUGHT, caught. MATTER, matter. CHATTER, chatter. SHATTER, shatter. Now what is the next one? Tick tock, tell, told, train, time, tick tack, up, in, take, tall. So these are the words that we have to say aloud. Now we'll go to the next page, page number 13. Now what is this exercise? This exercise is about who said these words to whom. किसने किससे कहा. Suppose if I tell you to tell someone or go and convey the message to teacher. So what will you say? You will say कि madam has told you this or give the English book. So that is what we say, who said these words to whom. Who said these words to whom. Now we will read. Here it is said who said, and over here to whom. Wake up, wake up, wake up fast. Who said? Bird said to Neha. Ma, who woke me up today. Neha is telling to mother. Who is telling to mother? Neha is talking to mother, telling to her mother. Why do you sleep at night? 9 every night. Why do you sleep at 9 every night? Your mother is asking Neha that why do you sleep at 9 every night? So mother is asking Neha. So this exercise is over. I hope you understood. Now I will go to another exercise. Use the help box to fill in the blanks. Now in help box you can see only 2 words are there. Was and where. But how many sentences are there? So same this words repetition will come in the sentences. So shall we start? Okay. Now we'll say Ram was a good football player. Ram was a good football player. We have written was over here because a good football player it is said. It is not saying Ram is playing football. Okay, now the cows were grazing in the field. Now what happened? Were grazing means this is a past tense. They were not grazing now. They were grazing at that time. My toys were broken. Now this is the situation in my toys were broken. Over here what the it is talking about, the toys which are broken. Her frock was too long. What is over here? Her frock was too long. It means that her frock was too long, that if she had gone to a party or somewhere and she was telling about that her frock was really too long. The market was closed. Now was closed means market बंद हो चुका था. Was closed. The children were happy. What is it? The children were happy. The flowers were kept in a vase. So over here this exercise is also over of was and where. Now we'll go to page number 14. Now everybody open page number 14. Now what over here it is says, look at the pictures below and complete the following paragraph. You will need these words. Now we have to look at these pictures in a paragraph form it is given, and we have to select the words from the boxes. First we'll read the words. Pulled out, inside, called out, behind and under. Now we read the sentences. Yesterday I lost a book. I looked for it everywhere. Now this girl is what she is doing. She is searching a book of her. She is saying that yesterday I lost a book. What is it? The girl had lost a book and she is looking everywhere. Now she is saying where she looked. I looked behind a door. Now you can see the girl is looking behind the door. Then see the girl what she is looking inside the cupboard. I look inside a cupboard. I look under a bed. See the girl is looking under a bed. I could not find it anywhere. Then I called out. What happened? She did not find behind the door, in the cupboard, under the bed. Then finally what happened? She called her pet dog Sheru. Sheru, my dog came running. Sheru, my dog came running to me. I asked him to look for my book. Now what happened? Now this girl is not getting the book. So she is now asking her dog to find out a book for her, and dog name is Sheru. He pulled out another book from my bag. Now what happened? What Sheru did? He pulled out another book from my bag. What did Sheru did? He pulled out another book from my bag. She told Sheru to search it out, but the Sheru did not search it out. In fact, Sheru what he did? He pulled out another book from the bag. Now we will shift to page number 15. Turn page number 15. Oh, what exercise. Now here is a world clock. Write down words relating to clock. Over here is what? Here is a word clock, and we have to write down words relating to a clock. Now make a sentence. Here you have to make a sentence. So what will make a sentence? I get up hearing the ringing of my alarm clock. What we have to do? Here you have to make a sentence regarding the clock. So what she is saying? I get up hearing the ringing of my alarm clock. I get up hearing the ringing of my alarm clock. This is the sentence she made. Now sound. How is the sound of clock going? Tick, 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 like that. So sound is tick, tick, tick. Another word for clock is what? Watch. 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 Then what you have to do? You have to draw. Then word in your own language you have to write. So it is written ghadi. Now name different parts and times. So what is the part of a clock and time also we have to mention over here. So it is dial, second hand minute, hand hours, hand key, alarm. So these are the different parts of times, and these are the different parts of times. Now we'll go to down exercise. Here is a word morning. Now write down words related to it. Now your morning is given, see you can see. Now related to that word we have to make few sentences again. So again we'll start. Birds start chirping early in the morning. What happened? The bird starts chirping. Have you seen a bird? Early morning they all chirp because they get up. Then ka ka, chip chip. What sound they make? Ka ka, chip chip. Then what is the early morning means? Dawn. DAWN, dawn. Here you have to draw the picture. Don't forget to draw the nice picture. Then morning what we call Suprabhat. What do we call Suprabhat? And over here what we have to write? Early morning means Suprabhat. Then here we are writing fresh air, ringing of bells, temples, sunlight, and the nearby surroundings. All these are the examples, or these are the sentences where in the morning we hear fresh air, right? And then ringing of bells in the temple. Then what it is, the other thing is what? Sounds of fresh air, ringing of bells in temples. Then what it is? Okay, in this last box what we have to write? We have to describe the morning. So it is fresh air, ringing of bell in temple, sunrise, quiet surrounding. All these in early morning we hear. What do? We hear this all early morning. So these are all textbook exercise you have to complete in your textbook. Thank you.